Hello friend, welcome to the Smart Machine YouTube channel. This video detailing about by the ultimate guide to understanding and managing your customer life cycle. So let's start my video. The ultimate guide to understanding and managing your customer life cycle. If you are stop to think about it, the terms customer life cycles is a little misleading. For one, the customer's part implies that the lifecycle charts when someone officially purchases a product from you, but it's true the customer life cycles begin before your customer ever hears about your company. The life parts of life cycle implies that there are be an end of the customer's times with your business, but that the opposites of what you are going for when we talk about customer lifecycle management. By managing each stage of the customer life cycles, while you are building a relationship so full of value of the customers, they not only stick around long terms, they will be also so happy with their experience. They becomes an advocate for your company. The customer life cycle explained. Customer life cycles refers to the entire process a customer takes with your company from first hearing about your customer business to purchasing a product and using it all the way thought becoming a brand advocate. This might sound a bit like the customer journey, but there is a key difference perspective. When a company lays out all the steps in their customer's journey, usually thought a visual aid called a customer journey maps, they are reviewing the journey. Thought the company eyes, they are asking what does the customer experience at each stage in the journey, what touch point do they have with our brand or product. In contrast, when a company works through the stages of the customer life cycles, they are doing so from a business perspective. They are asking, what do we need to do as a business to successfully acquire and retain this customer's business? Think of the customer life cycle as a story. Each chapter represents a different stage in your customer experience with your business. It's not just about making a sale. It's about crafting a narrative that fosters long-term relationships that go far beyond any particular transactions. Customer life cycles marketing explained. In the customer life cycles, every interaction matters from the first hello to the never ending how can we help you, but each stage in the customer life cycle requires its own unique management strategy in order for those interactions to be relevant and impactful. For instance, you would want to expand a product feedback survey to a customer who is still researching their product option. We would likely confuse them about making them feel as thought use and we are rushing them into the making a decisions. Customer life cycles marketing is the art and science of giving customers and information and encouragement they need at stage and stage is about influencing customer based on where the trend today is a right we want them to progress to our time. The 5 or 6 customer life cycle stages. Most companies will tell you that there are 5 stages in the customer life cycle: reach, acquisitions, conversation, retention, and advocacy. Here are help scouts. We also understand how important is it to set up customer for success. So we sometimes add in the 6 steps on onboarding in the middle of the life cycle. But whatever you found, fix and or 6 total stages in the customer life cycles. Each part plays a pivotal role in providing driving access for your business. So we doing take a deep dive in each one. We start out by defining each stage so you understand how it contributes to the customer experience and business success. Then we move into exploring some strategies and articles for analyzing and managing the stage so that you can help the customer thought it. Finally, we will discuss the different marketing tactics and channel used for each stage, so you can be equipped to engage with your customer thought out the customer life cycle. The reach stage. The first stage of the customer life cycle is called the reach stage, but it also sometimes referred to as the awareness or the exploration stage. In this stage, a potential customer either know they have a need and they beginning a research to research solution, or they can come across your business originally and begin to consider whether your product could solve a problem or need they didn't realize they had. Your goals in this stage are threefold. Build brand awareness and recognition. You want to stand out as the company. We can provide that definitive product solution to the customer's problem. Make a good first impression. You want a customer's first interactions with your brand set a position tune for the rest of their interactions with you. Provide a path to more information. This entails contact doesn't need to answer every question possible, but they are assured every make easy for the customers to know where they need to go, get more information, and make a decisions. Life cycles marketing for the reach stage. A target reach marketing strategy leads larger pools, well match customers and more leads and pipeline. The more chance will you have turns prospect and paying, and your life cycles marketing strategy until you can includes a rule any or all of the following. Your life cycles marketing strategy in this stage. Cool. Anything you want the followings and stage and add Facebook isn't find both useful and eye-catching. Analyze the reach stage. Anything of you again monitoring the success of the reach stage valuable customer centrics. Learn more about the needs and personalize homeschooling my elementary edit kids. Not only does the newsletters contain valuable information about homeschooling, it highlights discounted content, share, and so on. The conversions stage, also sometimes referred to as the purchase stage, this is just that it's the moment a potential customer becomes an actual customer by buying a product or service from your company. The benefits or to business objectives in this stage is a clear. Cow coffee is after every order I get a sweet and helpful thank you note from them. Analyzing the conversion stage. We already mentioned some helpful metrics and data to look at when trying to assess success in this stage, but two are particularly important: conversion rates and customers acquisition cost (CAC). If you are a SaaS company, your conversions that the onboarding stage. Companies that include this stage either a customer life cycle, sometimes the customers access to implementation stage for the first time. Pre-writing desires are very personalized, specialized when have some things of a learning curve. In this was a welcome email in my inbox. In addition to confirming the first sales was successful, it explains some key features of the product, writing under the time goals and using a markdown of the format. My writing after it's been since it's also anticipated some question I had like how to change the font size and many my keywords language. Analyze the onboarding stage first 19 days. The retention stage. In this retention stage, if you focus on keeping your customers engaged and satisfied with their purchase with the enjoy company, Some companies is also consider the opportunity to expansions when a major frames update the release for my writing table. Analyze the retention stage. The retention stage is the best time. This is also good stage is that taking renewable details, customer sentiment, the customer satisfactions. The advocacy stage also sometimes is as the loyalty stage is the stage, and customers stage star more than my fair stage coffee, and then I also assist the premium benefits. Creating a strategic and from the managing stage and of the customer life cycle is translate into tangible business growth. As you get started, just remember that the customer life cycle is always involving. Stay adaptable to be received to feedback and keep aiming to build a better customer experience. So guys, that's वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. वे विल टॉक पहली वीडियो पे. तब तक के लिए बाय.